Hello, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia XZ2. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's enter App Drawer, go to Settings and enter Display. Right here you've got all settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change color gamut and contrast between professional mode, standard mode and super vivid mode. Next, we can change white balance between warm, standard, cool and custom, and enable or disable video image enhancement. Next, we can change brightness level, enable or disable adaptive brightness, change sleep timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, change font size, display size, enable or disable auto-rotate screen, manage lock screen preferences like ambient display, clocks, show lockdown option, add users from lock screen, album art, write lock screen message, show notifications, and enable or disable keep notifications. In advanced, you can enable or disable one-handed mode, cover selection between style cover touch, flip cover and others. You can enable or disable glove mode, smart backlight control, enable or disable night light and change its intensity, enable or disable prevent accidental operations with screen off, dark theme and screensaver. And that's all for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.